Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Neil Young's classic song, Old Man, on acoustic guitar. We'll start by learning the essential open chords, D, G, C, and F. You'll also need to get comfortable with the D minor 9 chord, which gives the intro its unique sound. Focus on smooth transitions between these shapes to build a solid foundation. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple yet effective approach is a down, down-up motion. Focus on hitting the downbeats firmly to establish a steady rhythm. Practice this pattern slowly with each chord as you transition, ensuring your strumming hand maintains a consistent flow throughout the song. To capture the iconic sound of Old Man, we'll add a simple hammer-on to the D chord during the intro. This technique involves quickly pressing a finger onto a string to sound a note without picking. Specifically, you'll hammer on the G string, creating that distinctive melodic element. Practice this until it feels natural and flows seamlessly. Consistent practice is key to mastering Old Man. Aim for short, focused sessions to build muscle memory and confidence. Listen closely to the original recording to internalize the timing and dynamic shifts. Once you're comfortable with the basics, feel free to experiment with your own feel and expression, making this timeless song truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.